everyone. Welcome to day 11 of the series SQL50. Today's problem statement is students and examinations. We have three different tables. First is students, which has student ID and student name, which are integer and varchar. Subjects, which has all the subjects as subject name as the column, and varchar is the data type. And then we also have examinations, which has student ID and subject name as integer and varchar data types. Our problem statement is write a solution to find the numbers of times each student attended each exam. Return the result ordered by student ID and subject name. This is important to get in the exact format. The result format can be seen here. So we have three tables: student ID, student name, subject name, and student ID, subject name. This is the examination table, and our output should look like this, where we have student ID, student name, subject name, and attended exam. So attended exam, if the student has attended at least once, it will come in this particular table, which is examination table. But if the student has not taken exam of this particular subject even once, this entry will not be here. So for them, it will be 0. And for all the other, it will be actually count of star. So this information is important because this is how you also need to make the joins and make it in the proper order so that you are getting this 0 when the student did not take exam for a particular subject. Now moving on to the solution part. For the solution, I tackled this problem in step by step. First, I looked at the number of attended exams for student ID, subject name. So that's what I was talking about. Here, if we take just the count of star, we will get the number of attended exams. This is for all the subjects and all the student combinations which are already existing in the exam table. Let me remind you that the students who did not take any exam or the students who did not take exams for particular subjects will not be here. So to find them, to find all the possible combinations of students and subjects, we have to do another subquery where we are cross joining between students and subjects. So that will be our second part where we are getting all possible combinations of students and subjects. Next, we are combining these two, and whenever we see that for a particular combination of student and subject, we don't have attended exam, that means for that particular subject, the student did not take the exam. So we have to put a 0 in that place. So that's exactly what is happening here. It becomes so much easier when we tackle the problem in step by step manner. So this is where I am getting all the subjects and student combination. This is where I am getting the number of attended exams. And when I do the left join, I will find what combinations did not occur in the examinations table. So whenever I see a null in attended exam, means the student did not take exam for the subject. So that will be replaced with 0. The null will be replaced with 0, and that is how we get the final result. So we are selecting all the columns that are asked in the problem statement, and at the end we also have to group by student ID, student name, and subject name, and ordered by student ID and subject name because those are the two columns which are mentioned in the problem statement. That's all about the solution.